Hi folks, welcome back. I'm Lynn with PFM Arts. This is my third video like this. I went to Michael's with my mom and we spent $5 on a very sizable box. Actually, we bought 3 of them, and I'll link the other 2 unboxings down at the bottom. I did take the tape off the top of this one and it's falling over, or falling out rather. So let's get into it. All right, here we go. Oh, that was way less dramatic than what I thought it was going to be. Okay, let me go ahead and prop this up and we'll see what I got this time. Oh, there we go. That's a little bit more dramatic. All right, let me scoot this thing back a little bit. All right, here we go. What's first? Okay, let's do this first. This is more of the Creativity for Kids. This is a kit. This is another one of the butterfly wind chimes. And in this kit, there's everything the child needs to do or needs to have in order to make one of these really cute little wind chimes. So I've said it in previous videos, we do a lot of work with Toys for Tots, or some work with Toys for Tots. I'm not sure really what quantifies with a lot. But I will be donating this to Toys for Tots. That's awesome. And another one. Cool. Another donation. Love that. And, oh, some more of the airplanes. I got this in the last box, box number 2. And this is just foam airplanes, and then you paint it, and then it has the nose cone on there, and apparently they fly. And there's 4 of them in here. I think I got 2 in the last box, so that brings me up to 3. Awesome. What is this? Okay, so this is a floral thing, and this was originally $3.99. I mean, that's cute. I don't really do floral things anymore, so I will donate this to my normal thrift store that goes to support the schools in the area, the local schools. So that's awesome. Oh, look at this guy. This is a whole big chain of ivy. I was looking to see if it had a price tag on it, but I don't see one. Is it one big loop, or is it, I don't know what it is. Whatever. I'm not going to use this, so again, I will donate this to the thrift store that helps out my daughter's school. Yeah, there's no price on here. This must be at least a $7 thing. I don't know. It looks like it's pretty long. It's probably about 6 feet. I'm assuming that it'll, oh, well, that just completely came apart. Whoops. All right, well, I'll see if I can put it back together. Because I'm sure, oh yeah, right here. This little thing. Oh, did it just pop off? Oh no, it's completely broke. Shoot. I'll see if I can put it back together. Or maybe they can sell it as is. Maybe somebody doesn't necessarily need to have it together. But it looks like it's about 6 feet long, so it's probably $7 or $8. All right, here is a thing of very pretty green yarn. This looks kind of neon on the screen, but actually in real life, it looks more of kind of an olive color. It's actually really pretty. I'll save this for my mom. I bet she can do something super cool with it. All right, so that's for my mom. Cool. This is also another skein of yarn. It doesn't have the information on it, but this is a really pretty dark like midnight blue. It's showing up on the screen a little bit bluer than actually what it is, but it is so pretty and it is so soft. All right, another one for mom. Oh, this is pretty. This is a variegated skein, and actually this feels, this is a little bit heavier than the other one, but it is really pretty. I bet my mom could do something cool with this. Maybe make a hat or something. Ooh, she can make a hat and then put it for Toys for Tots. That would be good, because, again, I said it in my last 2 videos, but I'll say it in this one as well. The Toys for Tots program actually provides for children up to 17 years old, or at least they do in our county. So some of the older kids, they don't get, very much toys, or very even really good toys. So not necessarily that a hat's a toy, but it's still a nice thing to have. So we have some sensory foam, glow in the dark. It floats and it crackles and it never dries out. And you can create things with it, apparently. All right, another Toys for Tots item. 2 items for the Toys for Tots. What is this? A sprinkle mix. That's cute. It has hearts and little blue and white sprinkles in it. That's really cool. Hopefully that's not expired. Regardless, I'll be eating it. So it's fine. Whatever it is. Is this another one of the same thing? No, this is different. This is a red, white, and blue chip mix. Okay, so they probably had this out for 4th of July. I'm recording this, so we bought this box in September. It actually might be October right now, so like mid-September is when we bought this box. So I'm sure that's not expired. I will eat red, white, and blue chocolate chip cookies basically any time of the year because it doesn't matter to me. All right, cool. That's cool. All right, so that's a keep for me. I love cookies. Oh, look at, well, that's unfortunate. Okay, literally this is the first broken thing that I've had in these boxes. This is my third box, and this is the only broken thing. I'm assuming that it was like maybe a bowl holder, like you put a bowl here, but it's broken. Two of the legs, like that's completely sheared off, and so is this. Actually, that's just snapped off, but this is like super broken. And I don't know where the other pieces are. Okay, so this is literally the only piece that I've gotten so far that is trash. That's unfortunate, but that's okay. I mean, 3 boxes and only 1 piece of trash, that's not bad. All right, so this is a tissue tassel. Okay, so I guess you're supposed to like unfurl it and it does the things like this down at the bottom of the table. That's cute. I don't really do events, so this will be, how long is this thing? No, it's 6 foot. That's actually a pretty decent size. All right. Oh, it was originally $10 and they put it on clearance for $5 and then nobody wanted it, so now I have it. So technically, this little garland thing in and of itself was the price of the entire box. Neat. All right, so I'll donate this to the school. I bet somebody would like that. Okay, we have some Sweet Land of Liberty. Looks like some leftover 4th of July stuff, but this is plates. These are 10.5-inch plates. They are originally $7.99. How many do I get? I get 12 of them. I will be eating off $12.99. Sorry, $7.99 10.5-inch plates. Probably tonight. Okay, nice. Plates for me. What is this that's falling out? Oh, it's more plates. It's a set. It's a Celebrate It plate set. It has dessert plates and dinner plates. There's 8 of each. So 16 pieces total, and yep, that's picking it up. So their plates are clear, and then there's some gold on the outside. That's actually really, really nice. I mean, I would eat off on these, but I think originally $12.99. I think is that damaged? Looks like that bottom one might be cracked. You see the crack that's in there? Yeah, right there. You can see it. Right there and there. Maybe it's just that. I think it's just that one though, if it is. Oh, whatever. I will just go ahead and donate this to the store. Somebody may like to have it for like a fancy birthday or something like that. I think that would be good. Ooh, some more of these. Nice. Okay. So these are basically sticky notes, and they are unicorn, and they are originally $2.99 a piece, and I will donate both of these to the Toys for Tots. That's nice. What is this? Icing decorations. Obviously leftovers from 4th of July, but these are actually really cute. I mean, no one says that you absolutely have to put this on for a decoration. You could actually eat them. I might just eat them. Probably just gonna eat them, assuming they taste good. What is this? Foam popper topper. It's a sensory thing, and it never dries out. I don't really know what you do with these. Okay, so apparently it's some kind of toy, and it's kind of like the glow-in-the-dark sensory foam that we have over here. So I'm just going to say that these are 2 more things for Toys for Tots. Nice. All right, what do we have here? Oh, more bird baths. I actually got one of these in, I think, the 2nd box it was. So now I have 4 bird baths. I am the proud owner of 4 bird baths. And this one has, I'm sure the other one did too, has a cute little yellow bird on it. Yeah, it did. I see it over there. Cute. Yeah, I'll just donate this to the thrift store for the school. That's fine. What is this? What is this? An icing writer pen from Wilton. That's a really good brand. Okay, so you put your icing in here and then you can just write with it like a pen. Oh, it's a whole thing. Wow. So you get the air pump with adapter, the air hose, small round tips, 3 medium tips, and 3 round tips, large round tips. So 3 of each, small, medium, and large. Icing barrel plungers, icing barrels, icing barrel storage caps, icing writer pen, icing writer holder, a cleaning brush, and instructions. Whoa! Whoa! Do you guys see that? Do you see it? This thing, I don't know if it's picking it up because the ink was really bad. This thing was originally, it looks like it was originally $89.99. What? What? And then they put it on the clearance section for $33. Man, that is wild. And I got it for $5. Like, I have no use for this thing, but still, how cool is that? Look what I could make. I could make that if I was super cool, but I'm not. Wow. Guys, $90 for this. Okay, so this is the find out of all 3 of the boxes. I'm actually in a conundrum what I'm going to do with this right now. So 3 options. I could either donate it to the thrift store, which they would probably get like, I don't know, at least 20 bucks out of it. So that would be good. I could put it online for sale, which I could also get 20 bucks out of it. Or there is a teenager in my neighborhood. She's about my daughter's age, and she actually makes cakes on the side. They're gorgeous cakes and they taste delicious. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask her if she has one or if she wants one of these things, and I'll just give this to her. I mean, she's like 14 or 15 years old. She makes beautiful cakes. It's her side hustle, or I guess maybe her main hustle since she doesn't have a main hustle. I'm going to do that. I'm going to ask her if she wants this. If she wants it, you know what? If she wants it, she gets it. That's awesome. I cannot believe how much that was, though. That's wild. Okay. Look. Just when everyone wants a tiny toilet bowl. This actually looks like it's porcelain. That's kind of neat. I have no use for this. I have also a soda bucket with some Coke in it. That's neat, cute, you know, little dollhouse thing. And then a also bathroom sink. Ooh, so that means that I have the sink and I have the tub and I have the toilet that goes in the bathroom. So I have a complete bathroom set with a soda bucket, a dining room table, and many, many bird baths. Ooh, wait, there's more. There's more. What is this? I have tiny forks and spoons. Tiny forks and spoons. 8 pieces. Looks like there's 4 spoons and 4 forks. That's actually really cute. So, obviously it goes for a dollhouse, but since all of them have a hole on the end of them, I wonder if I could use them as charms. Ooh, charms on cookbooks! Charms on the cookbooks that I'm going to make. Okay, I'm keeping these. Okay, I'm keeping these. Oh, that's so cute. I'm very excited about that. This was week number 9, just in case you wanted to know. Week number 9 at Michael's. Oh, and we got more ice buckets. Cute soda buckets. What is that? Is that Sculpey Filmo things? Like, that's one thing I've never gotten into. That's crazy. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I might keep it. I don't do this. I have so many other things to do. Maybe I'll just donate this to the thrift store. As you guys know, they have quite the crafting selection. And let's not forget, we have a slightly bent out of shape tin cup. It's for the Day of the Dead. And it's a candle holder. Cool. It's $5.99. It's actually really cute. Push a little candle down in there. I don't know. I wonder if my mom wants this. She likes all the Day of the Dead kind of stylish stuff. Okay. Maybe. We'll see what happens. Oh, look. Another egg-looking thing. I'll see if my mom wants these. If not, I'll just put all 3 of them together because I got 2. I think it was 2 in the first box. I'll just put these together and just donate it at the thrift store. Put it in just like, I don't know, maybe this clear plastic thing and tape it down. Give it to them. It'll be nice. That's probably what I'm going to do with it. Oh boy, Mom. Oh boy, Mom. Look what you get. You get a single leaf. 1 single leaf. No Necco wafers for you. 1 single leaf only. Did that come off this thing? No, it didn't. I have no idea where this leaf came from. It's completely different. Anyway, all right. So Necco wafers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I got 3 in the other box, so now Mom has 10. Okay. All right. I mean, these were on clearance for $1 a piece. There's 7 in here. That's the price of the box. All right. Last thing, guys. Last thing. Uh-oh, box has exploded. Shoot. All right, let me see if I can get the box back together. All right, that's probably why this was in here, because it was just a damaged box. Yeah, everything's still in its original plastic on the inside that I can feel and see. I'll just tape that guy back down. So what is this? This is a, yeah, as is. So $10. It's a diversity craft kit. All right. So what is this? Okay. So you get different foam faces and different foam people, and they have different clothes. And you have some feathers, some eyes. Okay. That's actually really cute. Oh, wow. Look at that. 168. Oh, you can't see that. 168 foam shapes and 96 wiggly eyes. That's cool. Okay. So this will be a Toys for Tots donation. I'll just try to repackage it a little bit better than what it is and tape up the box. And I think that's fine. I mean, the box is a little damaged, but I think it's fine. I'll just check and make sure all the pieces are in there. All right, guys. So we got a lot of Toys for Tots donations. I say a lot. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's snacks for me. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is right over here. Okay, so 9 Toys for Tots donations. Quite a few donations for my daughter's school thrift store. And I got some plates and some candy, and looks like Mom's going to get some more yarn. Oh, yeah, and don't forget this icing rider. That's crazy. All right, guys. Well, I hope next week I will happen to get super lucky and run across another one of these boxes. If not, I will hopefully go to the thrift store and find some cool things to share with you guys. All right. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope you have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.